Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to delete apps on your Motorola Moto G42. When you look at your Motorola, you will see that you have a lot of apps pre-installed, okay? So you can see a lot of Google apps. You can see here the Play Store and Telegram and Ecosia, and you can see here the clock, Facebook, and so on and so forth. Maybe you have enough of one app and you want to delete it, okay? So there are some things I want to tell you about it. First, you have here your start screen, and you can see here it's Telegram, and perhaps I won't like Telegram anymore, so I just put my finger on it, and then you can see here app info and widgets, and I click on app info, and then I can click on uninstall. Okay, so I can just click on uninstall. Do you want to uninstall this app? I click on OK, and then it's uninstalling and it's gone. So pretty easily. Okay, so I can also go here from this screen to my normal screen where I have all my apps, and I will just try the same one perhaps with the settings. Okay, I click here and I can look here and click on the eye, and I can see, oh, okay, there's nothing. I cannot uninstall it. I cannot disable it, of course, because when I am deleting the settings, how can I use the settings? So what's with the Play Store? I click on the Play Store, and again I go to the eye, and you can see here I can disable the Play Store. So that means it won't be deleted, but it will be disabled. So it cannot work anymore. You can enable it, of course, anytime. Let's look at Chrome. How about Chrome? What can I do there? Okay, again, you can only disable it but not delete it. So you can see Google apps and essential apps that are important for the phone. You cannot delete them, you can only disable them. What about Facebook? I click here on Facebook and on app info, and again I can uninstall it. So this is the way how you uninstall and delete apps on your Motorola Moto G42. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.